Hi, I'm Allison. I didn't massage my feet to relax. I massaged them to say, I'm still here. After a day of standing, rushing, pretending, holding, my feet didn't just ache. They remembered. They remembered every yes I said when I wanted to say no. Every smile I forced through exhaustion. Every tear I swallowed before I closed the door. They carried me, not because they had to, but because they loved me. Now I sit on the floor, no music, no screens, just the quiet hum of the evening. I warm oil with lavender, sea salt, and chamomile between my palms. I don't rub to fix, I press to remember. My thumb finds the arch where my courage used to live. I circle the ball where my I can't used to hide. I hold the heel where I first learned to stand on my own. This isn't self-care, it's soul repair. Gentle, slow pressure activates the vagus nerve, turning off stress, turning on calm, releases facial tension blocked by years of emotional suppression, restores circulation to nerves dulled by exhaustion and silence, triggers oxytocin not from touch alone, but from being witnessed in your most worn out place. I don't do this to look better. I do it because I needed to remember. You didn't break, you carried me. And I'm finally ready to thank you. When my hands move, I don't feel relief. I feel recognition. Like my feet whisper, you didn't forget us. You just forgot we were yours. For these 5 minutes, I am not a daughter, not a worker, not a caretaker. I am simply a woman, letting her feet rest, not because they need fixing, because they deserve to be held. And for the first time in years, I don't just touch my feet, I listen to them, and they, in return, whisper back, we're still here, and so are you.